second round of test and tune of the Summit Bracket Series of June 16th, 2018. Waiting for these guys to get us set up. It is a hot, steamy day, 96 degrees, 45% humidity. Reaction 880 flat at 80.57. I'll take it. You a 202 with the 0 60 foot, 573 with the 7, 880 with the 0, 80.57 is what we went. All right, there we go. That'll get started. 882 and an 880. So within 0.02 of a second, Mommas Toy is consistent on a hot, steamy day. And big thanks out to Engine Ice, keeping us cool. Again, engine temps are at 178 right now from that run.